Hi there again, Jeremy Cook, founder of Flip the Switch Education, here for another Unity quick tutorial video. This one is similar to the one that we just did previously about enabling events with a game object. This one is just a little bit of a tweak, and what this one does is this is a destroy on a delay and then triggering an event. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to destroy an object, and then when that object is destroyed, as soon as it's destroyed, it's going to trigger a series of events. So let me give you the setup here. We have these alphabet cubes that we use for our educational purposes, and you'll see that when I start this alphabet cube, the giraffe inside will walk. So there he is there. He's walking inside this glass cube. But what we really want him to do is to break out of the cube, expand and grow into a larger full-size giraffe so that the students can get an idea of what's happening. So this is going to really help for people who want to have something happen to a game object when it is destroyed. So when you destroy a game object, this is going to come with a timer. So you'll have the ability to set a timer for when this object will be destroyed, and then when the object is destroyed at the exact same moment, it will invoke the events that you want. So we're going to start by creating a new C# script, and we're going to call this one Invoke on Destroy Delay. So Invoke on Destroy Delay. So over here in our script, we need to make sure that we have at the top the using Unity engine.events. So we've got to add that in, otherwise we won't be able to invoke. Okay, for this, we can get rid of the update. We don't need it in this script. At the top, underneath mono behavior, I'm going to drop this down. We need a couple different things. First thing we need is a public float so that we have a place to enter in how long our delay is going to be before the object is destroyed. So we're going to type in public float. I'm going to call this destroy seconds, and we're going to have it equal to 0f and then a semicolon. The second thing that we need is a string event. That's so that we can stack it in Unity and have multiple events that happen in a string so that we can have more than one thing happen. Because a lot of times these destroy on delays, there's destroy on enables, and there's lots of things out there, but the issue with those that I found is that it's just one thing. So it's like this object destroys and then it does this. In this case, we're going to be able to just continue clicking and adding as many events as you would like to that destroy. So we need a public class, string event, colon, Unity event, and then we need to put in a string value. And then on the other side of the string value, we need a set of brackets. Okay, so we're good there. Third thing what you need to do is to have our event. So we're going to type in public Unity event. And this is basically what you're going to name your Unity event. For this one, we're going to call this destroy event. And then we end it with a semicolon. Okay, so now we have all of our public classes and public floats and things ready to go. So we're going to drop down into the void start area, and we're going to put in our destroy. So we'll start with destroy, and what we need to destroy is this game object. So you're going to attach this script to the game object you want to destroy. So this .game object, if you just left it this way, it's the second that the game started, the object would be destroyed. You'd never even see it. But we don't want that. We want a delay onto it so that we can put in those seconds, and we put that delay up at the top. And now we're going to tell it in this amount of seconds that we've put in this public float at the top. So we called it destroy seconds. So we are going to call it destroy seconds down here as well. Now the game object will destroy in the amount of seconds that you put in there. But that's not what we want. We need one more thing. So we need to tell Unity, okay, so not only do we want to destroy this thing, but when we destroy it, we want to invoke an event. So we're going to go down and create a new function, a private void, and on destroy. So when this thing is destroyed, then we come into the middle, and now we're telling it what to do. So we're saying, okay, so you destroyed this game object, and on destroy, so we're going to type in destroy event dot invoke, and then brackets followed by a semicolon. Now this is all set up. So just again, as a quick thing, because I feel like it's so important for new people who are learning how to script to kind of understand this, because again, I was new at it not too long ago, and I'm still really learning how this works. Really helps to visualize what's going on with the script. So again, public float destroy seconds. This tells Unity how many seconds do you want me to wait before I destroy the object. The string event here allows us to have a drop-down box and have a string or a group of events. This public event destroy, this allows us a space where a Unity event will be. Down here, this says we're going to destroy this game object that the script is attached to, this .game object, and then we're going to destroy it after these destroy seconds. And then at the very bottom, this function says, okay, you want to destroy this game object in 5 seconds. When that game object is destroyed, we want to invoke this event that we decided up here. So we go ahead and save that. Okay, so we come over here to our object that we want to destroy, which is this cube. So one thing that's really important is to understand that you are going to destroy the game object that you attach this to, but you will also destroy its children. So I'm going to take my invoke on destroy. I'm going to put it in here. And now you see that there are the destroy seconds right here and the destroy events. So we're going to say after 5 seconds, we want to invoke these events. The first thing that needs to happen is I need to invoke the giraffe animation. And there I have an animation trigger in there called enlarge. When we come back to our Unity event, we go down to animator, we select set trigger string, and then we just type in the trigger, which is enlarge, and that will animate the giraffe. Second thing I want to do is turn on the broken cube because we want it to kind of look like the cube fell apart. So we turn that on, set bool active true. And the last thing I want to do is turn on a sound. I have a shatter glass, audio source, play. So when we pull back from this cube and we turn it on, after 5 seconds, it should trigger. The giraffe will enlarge and he'll start moving. So you can see that that works really well. I was able to destroy the original cube and then trigger some animations, and I could have a bunch of other things happen here as well. So again, this is similar to the enable and disable one that we did previously, but it gives you that destroy feature on there, which is nice.